Video we'll be teaching you how to create a bank account on Barclays. So first off, you gotta pull up your Chrome or whatever search engine you have, and then on your link you gotta type barclays.co.uk as you can see, and then once you hit enter, this shall appear on your screen, and right above here you can see different options, and you can see bank accounts. What you want to do is click on that, and then below it shows a drop down menu. Yeah, you can do current account, you can do a Barclays account or a Premier current account. We want to do a current account for now, so we'll click on that. Okay, once you're in, you'll see different options like the typical bank account and the Premier one. Let's do the Barclays bank account, and then you can see here how do I apply and the benefits and everything. Right down below you can see how do I apply, and then you want to do sole account, right, and then click online form here, and then as you can see here it's loading. As you can see, you have to fill out this information, and once you have clicked on this information, it will redirect you to another set of information, and once you go all through that, your Barclay account should be get to go. That's all. Thank you for watching.